What a huge expiry it was, or huge move it was yesterday. Uh, in fact, we mentioned yesterday to a couple of our friends that market today could be sell on rise. This we had mentioned in our main group, and right at the open itself, though we gave a call. We told our friends to don't hold longs. It may start reversing. In fact, the previous day we were holding 18400p. This is on Tuesday. I'm planning at the end of the day around we were holding. In fact, we added at the open uh, market. I'm not holding for long. Though we gave a we gave a CE. We didn't. I'm not holding the longs. 180 stop loss. This was stop loss for this, and then we exited, and then we went for put. We also took two calls which gave a fabulous return. One was Divis and IPAB lag. Divis went from 88 to 220 almost high. And in between, yes, market confused a lot. 18500p went almost 290 to 300. We we mentioned our friends to add. So this is how the market moved. It trapped all of us. If you see the initial first 10 minutes or so, Nifty and Bank Nifty both showed signs of moving up, but then trapped most of the times. There were a lot of opportunities to short. Once this gap was filled, many we would have thought that market may reverse. However, uh, it was a pure sell on rise market. Uh, we were the other place where we could have gone short or added to a short. The initial first 5 minutes breakout itself was one short position could have been added, and we could have added more here at this levels, and we could have trailed our stop loss. Maybe our stop loss would have probably got hit here, and another breakout here we could have gone short. This move made us feel that there is reversal. For me today, I am only thinking of going long or uh, possibly going to go long if this price holds. My initial target would be somewhere at 18 to 90 to 18, uh, 270 to 290. If I go long here, there is a chance that market may trap the shorts. Uh, and today being an expiry, the market can move both the sides. So trade with stop losses or trail your stop losses on every trade, and only trade if your risk to reward is more than 1 is to 2. Market currently still is looking sell on rise. If I look at the charts here, in fact I had told that as per the wave of uh, C, I'm expecting 18150. Currently we have made 18162. Looking at the charts, as there is a possibility that the wave D could have started, but I'm still not very confirmed on this. Since I'm speaking about because it's a little vast subject, uh, uh, and whether the wave C has completed, because our target was 150, but it has done 162. So market still looks bearish to certain extent. Uh, we could be very strong only once the Bank Nifty holds above 43,700 or 43,696 above. then we can think of going longs here. Till then, I would be cautious. I would not suggest our friends to go full strong. Even the option chain, if you see, it's only the calls which have been written. And even if we look for the monthly expiry, here, of course, 18500 seems to be a strong resistance, and there is a bit of support at 18,000. Whereas the weekly expiry, there are no put writers, only the call writers. The only thing I see when I look at the FI data is that there could be a possibly down move, and then I'm expecting the market to start moving up, at least for the intraday basis. So the Nifty levels I have already mentioned. I'm possibly thinking of going long. My first target would be 18 to 90. If this sustains, then we could possibly look at holding up to 18370 to 18400 levels. On the downside, if market moves below 18140, then we could see 1890. Below this, we could see 17973 levels also. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty again, very strong sell candles seen here. Uh, in fact, there is a trend line breakout which has happened earlier twice or yesterday also. So here, if price tend to, as per this pattern, as per this pattern, it looks like a W pattern. So if price sustains above this level, I think I can go long for a target of 43 256 to 43 500 levels. On the downside, I more or less we can more or less see 42 500 levels also to 42 200 levels. So it depends on how whether the wave correction, the wave has completed, and now that we are looking at the uh, wave D. Stocks which I am looking at today more or less would be SBI Life. If this moves above 1245 levels or 1250 levels, then I might look at going for 1265 target. And if price doesn't sustain, then possibly I'm thinking of going short in this. Infosys is currently looking flattish. However, has sustained above 1500. So if price tends to take support at this level, then our next target would be 1529 and 15440 also. However, if price tends to make this breakout here, retest, then they are going again planning to go short for target of 1490. Hindalco looks very weak. If this trend line is broken, retested, then we are going short 44430 or even below. And if price tends to sustain above this level, then I think we can go easily go long for 480 to 500 levels also. However, if you see the big trend line is broken and looks pretty bearish, there is a possibility that the price may go up to 428.25 levels also. UPL uh, is on the short side. If price tends to retest, then the first target to be somewhere at 722. However, if price doesn't sustain above this level of 760 and then retest, then we are looking to go short only. And the targets could be somewhere at 740 levels or so. This is a equity stock. I'm looking at expecting a good breakout. This stock has been consolidating for some time. If this sustains above 320, 340 levels, then we can plan to go long. Uh, let's see if the price takes a support at this level of 283 and then starts moving up. Um, big stocks like Maruti all got hit yesterday. You see huge fall yesterday in from the last 2 days in Maruti, and yesterday I think it continued its journey downwards. And I don't see any kind of a support still in Maruti, which can be taken. Uh, only strong support I currently see is at this trend line and this level of 8350. Whether it takes supports or breaks down or goes lower is something which we need to watch. As at the moment, I do not see any kind of support here. In fact, this likes like every every rise, the price seems to be sold or shorted. Reliance also showing us the same trend. Uh, if only if price tends to sustain above this level 2615 2637, then we may look a pullback rally. Else we can again look at shorts and 2520 can be tested. 2520 or even lower can be tested. So today is expiry. My view is market, as per the data, what I can see is market index could possibly move down a bit and then trap the shorts and take it up. However, this is not a trade signal or a view. I would definitely share the pre-market calls maybe for Nifty. There is also a strong possibility that market may remain down and then for the option writers to profit and then slowly move up. Give me one moment where I shall look at the the trades which we can look at. 18 400, sorry, 18 300 or 350 put. 18 350 put. If this moves above 170, 155, then we can go long. With a stop loss of 140 or 38. Target could be 280 to 320. Sorry, uh, 1 185 to 240. And the call side, we could see 18100, 18100 CE above 180 or 175 with a stop loss of 144 or yeah, 148. Target here could be 220 to 240. So the prices have to sustain above these levels. Exact prices I would be sharing maybe live during the market hours. You can join our Telegram channel. I shall share the link here. And good luck. Happy profiting. I hope our views have been beneficial. Please do share, subscribe, and also do click on the bell icon so that you get notifications